Oh, I'm too fat to get up. Couldn't the donut shop just like come to us?
No, that wouldn't be fair.
True. Alright, let's go. 5 minutes later at the Krispy Kreme donut shop. Come with me to the Krispy Kreme factory. First day in the Krispy Kreme factory.
Oh, I've always wanted to see how donuts are made.
One short day in the Krispy Kreme factory. One short day in the Krispy Kreme factory. One short day to gain 10 pounds of flavor. One short day, and we promise the factory you'll walk in skinny and walk out obese before we're done. There are donuts thick as redwood trees,
Long Johns and glaze,
with blueberries,
chocolate,
and others for the merchant.
Is that what
tastes
like
I've never seen?
It's all done.
And it's all icing, and this we found the place where we belong. I want to be in this hoi polloi. Wait, hoi polloi? What is that?
I think it's a type of dumpling. It sounds tasty.
Do you want to get a dictionary?
Does it involve doing any work?
Maybe.
Then no, it's too much work on the old brain.
Wait, you have a brain?
You're so mean sometimes, Elsa.
So I'll be back for good someday
To gain some weight and eat my way
through
through
boxes and boxes galore. One short day in the Krispy Kreme factory. One short day full of calories and carbs. One short day, and we're warning the factory. 'Cause now that we're in here, you'll know we've been here, 'cause they'll be all gone.
Come on, we'll be late for the new batch.
Why? Donuts are just deep-fried bread.
Shut up, Mikey! Who's hungry? Whose hunger's making you hungrier and making you fattier? Who's the cook? Who cooked it? Who with cartons done nobody gives a crap? Who wants to live a very long life? You won't 'cause you're so unhealthy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Our stomachs wonderful, so keep on eating them. One short day in the Krispy Kreme factory. One short day to have a lifetime of fun. To come away from reaching 1,000, where so many get to. We'll be like that too. And then just like now we can say we're just two friends, two fat friends.
No, two old face friends.
Sharing one wonderful one short.
The new batch is cool off now.
Yay!
I'm exhausted.
Why? You guys didn't do any exercise.
So I'm sweating just sitting here.
My face is burning. It burns like fire.
I'll get the fire extinguisher.
You can't. It's water.
Oh yeah.
You mean you're crazy?